How to fix PC Wi-Fi can't connect to this network. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open settings, then go to network and internet. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on manage new networks. In here, click one of the networks that is not being connected. Simply click on forget. After that, simply click on Wi-Fi and then add password of the specific network you deleted earlier. Add your password, then simply click on connect. After you click on connect, your PC will connect to that network easily. And that's how you fix PC can't connect to this network. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.